Okay, so I have almost built a musket. This is a separate part. How big it is. Put it right here on the wall. It's pretty small, but it's worth it. I'm gonna build this, and it's gonna be a bit hard. And
France.
I'm gonna make another video after I done building this, so